I don't know why I'm always starting to vlog in my car, but I guess that's the new vibe. This is going to be my vacay prep slash celebrations vlog because I am currently at Cheesecake about to have dinner with a friend. Her birthday was Sunday the 7th and my birthday is Saturday the 13th. So I'm excited. I got her little gift bag all ready to go and I'm so excited to give it to her. And it should be a little kiki and haha, because usually we get together to do Bible study. Her name is Nini. You guys have seen her before on my channel, but now we just get to like talk and eat and catch up on life, and I love a good time. She's always a good time. I have already at this point done all the hauls of all the clothes I bought, returned, bought, and my suitcases are in the middle of my room packed, so you'll see majority of that. The rest of this vlog is going to be wax appointment, nail appointment, and I'm gonna relock my hair Wednesday night as well. So I'm gonna show you guys all of that, but let's get into the clothing section. It was highly requested that I continue doing my hauls before every vacation I go on, and typically I do that in this kind of video, prepping for vacation. So let's go ahead and get it started. I'm going to show you guys the items that I don't necessarily need to try on first, and then I'll show you guys all the clothes I ordered from H&M. Well, H&M you actually saw in the last video, but Old Navy stuff came in and Shein. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the Shein stuff that I don't need to try on. This was my first time ordering shoes from Shein. This is the first pair, are these white wedged flip-flops. I've always wanted platform white flip-flops and I've never been able to find them in store. I'm gonna try this on my feet right now and let you know if they fit properly, because I got big feet, y'all. It's literally a perfect fit, like exactly my size. And I like these because they're a little bit more elevated than a regular flip-flop, so I can get away with wearing this to the club or something. I don't really go to the club, but like for brunch, it's like fancier because of the little wedge, you know what I'm saying? Next pair of sandals are going pretty much viral right now. This is what they look like. They're a taupe color. These are Steve Madden dupes, and this is the exact, I'm trying to get the lighting to work. This is the exact color I was looking for. Couldn't find it on Amazon, typed it into Shein, and boom, came right up. Let's see how these fit. Again, it's literally a perfect fit. I love that for me. I got some socks because I needed new socks for like sneakers, boots, all of that. They're just like stripes. There's a few different colors in here. I'm not gonna open that right now. I got some hats. They actually sent me 2 of these when I know for a fact I only ordered 1, so I'm gonna give the other one to my sister and then we can be twinning. It's so cute. Obviously I'd wear this with my hair down, and you can like play with the brim, you know what I mean, but it's actually very cute. I love. And then I got a colorful one, and these are like actually knitted. They're like real crochet. Like these feel very authentic. This one is like those granny squares. This one has a little bit of like a bigger brim, you can tell. It's actually super cute. I'm happy I got both of these. And what is a Shein haul without a new pair of sunnies? I got these. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These eat. I hate that you can see my eyes, but they eat now. Yeah, I like these. The last non-clothing item that I got is this bag. I saw my friend in church with it and I immediately was like, where's that from? She told me Shein, and I was so surprised how much it fits. It looks like a little shopping bag, literally, but then to close it, you feed one end of the bag through the other hoop, and then you wear it on your wrist. Obviously with it filled, it would look so much cuter, but I just want to get you guys the gist of what I'm going for. Super cute. So starting with Old Navy, I got these navy shorts. They're actually cute. I don't have any shorts in this color. Same shorts in this gray color. These are actually pretty comfortable. And I found, next up is this gorgeous blouse. Honestly, I should have got this in more designs or prints. It's super comfortable. Next up is this gingham dress. It's actually super cute. I'll probably wear a white t-shirt underneath it. Last but not least from Old Navy is this little romper. I'm still waiting for one more dress to come in. It's like a blue flowy dress. But this is the last piece I have to try on for today. So this vest clearly does not fit my boobs, but this skirt is a yes. Super cute. It has shorts underneath. I'm gonna try and keep everything separated well, so anything that doesn't fit I can literally go drop off tomorrow at the post office, because once you lose track of the bag and what you're returning, it's like super annoying to like look up the item number. So this is another no. It was supposed to be a two-piece set with, again, a vest and shorts. The shorts are also tight. The vest is just, I guess this style just doesn't work for me and my boobs. So it's okay. I'm happy to get money back and go shop again for things that are actually going to fit, which is always why I start with Shein first, because they are very quick at refunding your money. As soon as you check it into the post office and that barcode is scanned, you immediately get your money back. So this is just a little like knit shirt. It's navy blue and white. It has trimming and a zipper up here. I'm not wearing shorts right now, so that's why I'm standing this close. Next up is this little bubble dress. I have been seeing this everywhere on my For You page, so I tried to get one. I think I might be able to get away without wearing a bra on this because of how deep the V is, and it's really tight as well. It's actually holding my boobs up higher than my bra actually is. So I might be able to get away without wearing a bra on this one. Next up is this little back dress. It has like some frilling details on the side, and it's just like a high neck dress. I'll come a little bit closer. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this one. I don't know. It doesn't look like there's, like from the camera perspective, it doesn't look like there's anything happening. I don't feel like you can see the detail. So to save myself all the editing, I basically went through all the clothes that literally wouldn't get on. And I'm not gonna show them because they were super revealing to the fact that it would literally just be my boobs hanging out. So all of the denim I ordered and all of the type of vest items I ordered was a huge no. This shirt is actually kind of cute. I think I'm gonna keep this one. I have one more shirt to show you guys from everything I ordered. Everything else is going back. Sometimes it happens like that. Since I'm not doing a out-of-state vacation for this, I'm going to Atlanta in July. That's why I ordered very like regular clothing. Usually my out-of-state trips are very exotic in the type of clothing that I wear, in the sense that it's super bright colors, all these matching sets, things like that. So it is what it is. I'm not too sad about it, and we're gonna move on. Alright, and this is the last shirt I knew it was gonna fit. It has this A-line detailing. I'm not sure how well you guys can see this, but it's super cute. I'm gonna set aside all of my vacation clothes now instead of storing them into my closet just to pull them right back out in a couple weeks. So yeah, that's the end of this try on portion. So this maintenance day is already kind of starting off wrong because I don't have any jam and I'm not going out to get any, so I'm just gonna end up using this grease to do my hair. I'm just gonna hope that it gets it as neat as the jam usually does. I have no idea where it went. I'm pretty sure I didn't run out of it. I might have accidentally thrown it away, I don't know. But I'm gonna start doing my retie. It's Tuesday night. Tomorrow night I have my wax and my nail appointment. I'll probably also do my eyebrows tonight too. If I don't get to it, then I'll do it tomorrow. Yo, I literally just finished my hair. It took about 6 hours, or like 5 hours actually. I started like 6:30 something and it's 11. I'm putting my bonnet on and I'm going to bed. I'm not even gonna touch my eyebrows tonight. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, I just got home from work and I'm about to wax my face. So let's get into it, because I actually need to hurry. I have like 10-15 minutes before I need to leave the house to make it to my wax appointment on time. So yeah. Sorry. What is a vlog from me without Sam dunking in the picture? That's good. Done my wax. Let's go do my nails. Hello. This is the third nail salon that I went to this afternoon. Every other place I tried to go to first was fully booked. So I called up and I said, "Are you guys free? Can you take me right now?" They said yes, and look. Not another soul in sight. Don't mind if I do. Y'all, I'm just happy we got it done, because after 3 tries at the freaking nail salons, first person told me, yeah, we're overbooked. Second place said, yeah, you're gonna wait a long time. I'm sorry, I don't have time. I got work in the morning. I got here and I showed them the design. They said they can do it. Then I went to go pick the color. They're like, oh, we don't have that color. So hence why it's just black acrylic, but it still came out super cute and I'm excited.